In this podcast episode, the host interviews Lynne Peeples, a journalist and author of the book, The Inner Clock, Living in Sync with Our Circadian Rhythms. The conversation delves into the intricate relationship between our circadian rhythms, our internal biological clocks, and various aspects of health, including chronic diseases, mental well-being, and overall longevity. Peeples begins by explaining that circadian rhythms are not merely about sleep. They are complex systems that govern numerous bodily functions. Every cell in our body has its own clock, and these clocks work in harmony to ensure that physiological processes occur at the right times. However, modern lifestyles have disrupted these natural rhythms. Factors such as spending excessive time indoors, exposure to artificial light at night, and irregular eating patterns have thrown our internal clocks out of sync. This misalignment can lead to a higher risk of chronic diseases, decreased productivity, and impaired athletic performance. A significant portion of the discussion focuses on the role of light in regulating circadian rhythms. Peeples emphasizes that our bodies evolved to thrive in natural light during the day and darkness at night. Unfortunately, many people now spend over 90% of their time indoors, where the quality and intensity of light differ drastically from natural sunlight. This lack of exposure to bright light during the day, combined with excessive artificial light at night, confuses our circadian systems. The consequences are profound, affecting sleep quality, metabolism, and even mental health. Peeples highlights research linking disrupted circadian rhythms to obesity, diabetes, and other chronic health conditions. For instance, late-night eating can significantly increase the risk of these diseases, as the body is not designed to process food at those hours. Furthermore, the timing of meals can influence metabolic health, suggesting that a shorter eating window may be beneficial. Despite the growing body of research on circadian rhythms, Peeples points out that this topic remains a blind spot in modern medicine. Many healthcare professionals are not trained to consider the timing of treatments or the impact of circadian rhythms on health. This oversight is particularly concerning given the potential for circadian medicine to revolutionize how we approach treatment for various conditions, including cancer and mental health disorders. Peeples shares fascinating insights from her research, including studies that show how the timing of cancer treatments can affect their efficacy. For example, research has indicated that circulating tumor cells may vary significantly depending on the time of day, suggesting that the timing of biopsies and treatments could be optimized for better outcomes. The conversation also touches on the links between circadian rhythms and mental health. Peeples explains that disruptions in circadian rhythms can exacerbate conditions such as depression and anxiety. Adolescents, in particular, are affected by early school start times that conflict with their natural sleep patterns. This misalignment can lead to increased mental health issues and lower academic performance. Peeples emphasizes the importance of understanding these connections and advocates for changes in school schedules and workplace policies to better align with our natural rhythms. By allowing for more flexibility in start times, we can improve the well-being of students and employees alike. Throughout the podcast, Peeples shares her personal journey with circadian rhythms, detailing how she has made changes in her own life to align better with her internal clock. She discusses the importance of getting natural light exposure in the morning and reducing artificial light in the evening. Peeples has implemented practices such as using electric candles to create a cozy atmosphere at night, which helps signal to her body that it's time to wind down. She also emphasizes the significance of consistency in sleep and eating patterns. By maintaining regular schedules, individuals can strengthen their circadian rhythms and improve their overall health. Peeples encourages listeners to experiment with their routines, such as adjusting meal times and sleep schedules, to find what works best for them. A critical aspect of the discussion revolves around the inequities in access to circadian health. Peeples highlights that vulnerable populations often face greater challenges in maintaining healthy circadian rhythms due to factors such as living conditions, work schedules, and exposure to artificial light. Many individuals in lower-income neighborhoods may lack access to natural light during the day and be subjected to bright streetlights at night, further disrupting their internal clocks. Peeples advocates for greater awareness and regulation regarding lighting in public spaces and buildings. By ensuring that all individuals have access to environments that support healthy circadian rhythms, we can work towards reducing health disparities and improving overall community health.